Stories aren't just fun, they are powerful for language learning. We're My Bilingual Life, and we're here to help. If this is your first time watching, check out the video linked above to see how you can learn with stories. Are you ready? What are we waiting for? Let's get started.
The avocado is a very good fruit that comes from Mexico. People like it because it has a lot of proteins that are good for the body. It also has many vitamins and minerals that are necessary to stay healthy. The avocado tastes smooth and creamy, and that's why many people use it in food like guacamole, salads, and sandwiches. In ancient times, people in Mexico thought the avocado was special and used it in their ceremonies and medicine. Today it remains important in Mexican cuisine and people eat it a lot.
The avocado is an extremely nutritious fruit native to Mexico. It is often considered a source of protein due to its content of essential amino acids. This versatile fruit is not only rich in healthy fats, but also provides a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals for the human body. Its smooth and creamy flavor makes it a popular ingredient in a variety of dishes, from guacamole to salads and sandwiches. The rich history of the avocado dates back to ancient Mesoamerican cultures, where it was considered a sacred food and a symbol of fertility and prosperity. Peoples like the Aztecs and the Mayans greatly valued the avocado, not only for its nutritional value, but also for its spiritual significance. They used it in religious ceremonies and included it in their art and mythology. Additionally, the avocado was appreciated for its healing properties and was used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. This reverence for the avocado has endured through the centuries and continues to be an important part of Mexican culture and cuisine to this day.
If you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to like and subscribe for more learning videos. See you soon!